Okay, this is a Ford Fusion 2012 hybrid. I've had this car since 2012. Repeatedly, the power steering goes out. I've taken it to the dealer several times, and they say it needs new steering gear, which I've done several times. I believe the product's defective, or they're ripping me off. But anyway, I figured out that basically the power steering goes out for a variety of reasons. One might be low tire pressure, and there's could be the steering. There's a variety. You could have hit a pothole that set that off. But typically it happens when the car is parked after you've driven it. So I figured out that what you need to do, and this typically works, sometimes it works for a while, sometimes it doesn't work very long, but typically there's something that set it off. In my case, I believe it was low tire pressure. I can't say for sure, but when we came out to the car, it had this warning: service Advancetrac, service power steering now. You can see I have 139,000 miles on my Ford Fusion hybrid, which is high mileage, but I've had the car for over 10 years. I have added the air back into the tires, so that warning is no longer going off. In my case, I found the back tire, the back passenger side tire was about 10 pounds of air too low. It's recommended 33 pounds per tire. So I went ahead and refilled up, checked all the tires. I don't know that is the exact cause, but it seems to be related to when that warning goes off, that the power steering goes out. So my car is currently running. I have my tablet attached by USB to the OBD2 scanner port. Let me pull that out, show you what it is. I ordered it online, Amazon or eBay. It's a ELM327, that's the model, and mine is version 1.5. I bought it pretty cheap. I don't remember the price on Amazon, but it just plugs in. It has two settings, the MS and HS setting. It plugs in right down here under the steering column to the OBD2 scanner. I don't know if you can see that, but a little compartment right there. I'm going to pause for a second and I'll be right back. So on my Surface tablet, I downloaded the 4Scan software for free. You can get a trial version off of the one of the Ford owner websites. Just search for 4Scan software, and they'll send you a temporary code. I think it's good for like a month. Let's see if mine's still good. Says the key has to be in on position. HSM is set to HS. Can position, and vehicle is not moving. I think mine is set to HS. You can see it's already set down there to HS, which is on the right side. And then I hit OK. So because I've done this before, it has a come up with a recorded version of my vehicle. So I want to select, right here it says my vehicle with the VIN number. I want to select yes. Okay. And it's reading my module that I found it. It came up with the thing that says this vehicle may contain MS scan models. Does your ELM have an it does have a HS/MS scan plat. It says please set HS to the MS scan position button and click OK. So I have to switch it to the other side and come back to the software, hit OK, and it came up with a bunch of unable to read codes, HVAC, all the different codes are here. I'm not sure why it did that, but we'll figure it out in a minute. But it is connected now. So what I have to do, I always forget, comes up with all the data on here about my car. What I have to do is go to the little wrench here on the left, and forgive me if I get this wrong the first time, and this what it says, has all the reset, calibration. What I'm looking for primarily is the PSCM. That's the Power Steering Control Module reset. And I believe this up here, if I hit enter on this one, it resets all of the different modules, computer module. I guess what each one of these is a each one of these here is a different computer inside the car. Maybe if you're an expert on this, you can comment below and confirm that. But I'm just trying to show you the procedures for resetting the power steering, so that you can reset this code that I'm getting. Service, I need an oil change, but that's separate. Service Advancetrac and service power steering now, oil change required. So it says service Advancetrac, service power steering now. So basically you can't drive the car because there's no power left in the power steering because of this module. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to now go down to the power steering. I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to hit enter. And that didn't do anything. Okay, so I'm going to go back up to, I accidentally hit that. Let's see, try one more time. Having trouble remembering exactly what I did. Oh, let's try this. Go down here and hit play. Please make sure the following initial condition vehicle is not moving, okay? Alright, so it says I need an extended license to run this. I don't know if I need to re-update my license. So now it says no error codes found. I'm going to try and turn it off. Take the key out. Let the car shut down. Okay, the car has shut down. I'm going to turn it back on. It still has that, looks like it still has the service Advancetrac warning. So now I'm going back to the software. Okay, and I have to start from the beginning. I got to turn this back to HS can. Turn it on. It says unable to read. Just make sure it's connected. Okay, it looks like my license has expired. So I'm gonna stop this video and see if I can get the license updated.